Today I'll be installing a SRAM external bottom bracket and crank on a 68mm English thread frame. All you need is the correct size Allen key and a good grease. Starting with the non-drive side, apply a little bit of grease to the bottom bracket shell. Next, apply a little bit of grease to the bottom bracket threads. My bottom bracket was labeled with drive and non-drive sides, as well as the direction in which to turn it. But if yours isn't, the non-drive side is the larger one, and it threads in clockwise. The bottom bracket should thread in very easily with no pressure. If it feels too tight, back out and try again. You don't want to cross thread, as that could damage the threads on the bottom bracket or the frame. There's no need to go too tight. Hand tightening it will be fine. Now for the drive side. The same things apply here that apply to the other side. Grease both sets of threads and thread the other side of the bottom bracket in. This side, however, being the drive side, will thread in reverse. Now slide the whole assembly through and make sure it's seated securely. Now for the non-drive side, install the small cover and slide your pedal arm on. Be sure to slide it on straight and make sure it's secure before tightening it down. Once again, go easy while tightening it down, as you don't want to cross thread. Check to make sure everything is tight and that you have no play in the pedal arm or crank. If everything is tight and there's no play, you've had a successful installation.